And go.
Good day. Welcome to our TESDA Assessment Center. My name is Prince Peter Silojas and I will be your competency assessor for today. So, our qualification for today is Web Development and C3. So, may I have your admission slip and valid ID for the verification? Okay, thank you. So, before we start, allow me to walk you through the assessment process as you shown in our first slide. So, here's our qualifications. So, these are the basic competency. So, lead workplace common communication. For our common competencies, apply quality standard. For our core competencies, utilize software methodologies. So, here is the summary of the qualification, including its purpose and the expected outcomes. So here are the unit of the competencies. So developing responsive web design, create interactive websites, developing website backend. Okay. So this is the assessment plan. Sorry. Next, I will now give you the competency assessment agreement. Please read each item carefully. If everything is clear, kindly sign as a vote. Okay, okay, thank you. I will now explain what will happen during today's assessment. So, you will receive a test package containing tasks. After I read the general instruction, you will begin working. I will observe you using the observation checklist. I cannot coach you at any point. So, do you have any questions?
None, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Vargas, you may now proceed to the candidate working area. Okay. So, here is your test package. Inside are the instruction and required tasks. So, you will perform the assigned task following the performance criteria. Your time starts now. Are you done, Mr. Vargas?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. So, let's proceed to the oral questioning. So, I have a question. How did you decide on the step which followed in performing the task?
First, I have read the instruction and the learning objectives, sir, and then right after, I proceed to answer my exam.
Okay, thank you. So, you may now return your seat, Mr. Vargas. Okay, Ms. Tingas, may you go to the candidate working area. And here is your test package. So, the instructions are there. And your time starts now. Are you done, Miss Tingas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed to the oral questioning. So if you encountered an unexpected issue during the task, what will be your first action?
First, I will ask you because you're my assessor, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You may now return to your seat. Okay. I will now review your outputs and your observation. So, okay. So, in evaluating your performance, I will follow the TESDA rules of evidence. So, Mr. Vargas, may you proceed to the candidate working area. So, thank you for waiting. I will now provide your feedback on your performance. So, in strength, we see that you did best in developing website. So, areas of improvement is, I think, you need to revise the design of the website. So, based on the evidence presented, your overall result is competent. So, please sign your card. Okay, thank you. You may now go back to your seat, Mr. Vargas. Ms. Tingas, you can go to the candidate voting area. And based on the feedback that I saw, you demonstrated good understanding of the task and follow the required procedure. So the area of improvement is you need to change the syntax that you inputted in the code. And based on the evidence presented, your overall result is competent. So please sign your cards. Competency assessment agreement of efficiency. Okay, thank you. You may go back to your seat. So I will now consolidate the document attendance sheet, competency agreement, assessment agreement sheet, observation checklist, cards, and rating sheet. This will be attached to the registry work accredited competency, the assessment center manager. So this concludes your assessment. Thank you for your participation. You may now exit the assessment.
Thank you, sir.